Hey, this is Dave from Skipper's Pier Restaurant. We're 10 minutes from Green Street Gardens. We have some amazing food. I married one of the two chefs here. All of our soups, salad dressings, and sauces are made from scratch. And where can you get a view like this while you eat? Come and see us while you're in town. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kyle Marsh, and you're in the dirt with Green Street Gardens. And today, we're talking about biocontrol for our herb and veggie house. We actually use no pesticides or fungicides in any of the herbs and vegetables that we send to our stores. We grow it totally with biocontrol. If you've ever heard of biocontrol, it's using predatory mites like these here for any sort of destruction of invasive bugs. Spider mites, aphids, thrips, and fungus gnats are some of our biggest problems. So I'm going to show you some of that stuff right now and show you some what to look for and the damage you can spot to go ahead and attack that problem. The basils and all we have here are definitely covered. We had just pulled this tray, saw some damage, so I went ahead and ordered some bugs. What you'll do is we just take this bottle of mites, and there's 25,000 mites in this. And we're just going to shake it on just a little bit, just like that. And that's how we'll disperse those. It's actually really easy, but it gives me the ability to have no pesticides, no fungicides, or anything sprayed on anything you guys eat. Not calling it organic, I do use a natural-based fertilizer, but it is as natural as you can get and safe for your home. So come on into Green Street Gardens and we'll get you guys set up with some naturally grown, biocontrolled herbs and veggies. Now the key is to really get a nice even distribution, and it's okay to get some on the ground around and under the tables because your fungus gnats and thrips and stuff like that is definitely living down there too. So you want to make sure to really get a good layer everywhere you can. Now remember, this is one of those reasons your parents always told you to wash your vegetables before we eat them.